Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So itong mga ka-sexy, ito yung aking sinakyan. Bus number 63. Ito ay galing sa greenhouse sa may Alnada Street. So kung gusto nyo pumunta sa Rim Mall, punta lang kayo doon sa may Alnada Street na may makikita kayong bus stop at makikita nyo bus number 63 papunta sa Rim Mall. So, magkano lang ba ang bayad? 2 dirham. And, meron din sa Kalidia, number 67. Pero, yun daw ay, medyo malayo ang lalakarin kapag 67 ang sasakyan mo, papunta sa Rim Mall. Pero, itong 63, talagang mismo sa, malapit sa entrance ng Rim Mall. So, hindi na kayo mahirapan maglakad-lakad. At ito nga mga kasiksi, mga nadadaanan kong mga building. Dito lang ito sa may Abu Dhabi. Alam nyo guys, marami pa rin mga pakanting lupa. Ayan, na pwede pang pagpapatayuan ng mga magagandang building. So, itong Abu Dhabi mga kasiksi ay hindi masyadong crowded. Unlike sa Dubai, talagang super duper crowded na ang Dubai, na wala ka na makitang mga bakanting lupa, kakaunti na lang. So ito guys, kung mapapansin nyo dyan, may mga bagong tayong mga building. Ito yung tinatawag nila na Rim Islands. So kung itong islands na ito guys, isang maliit na islands lang ito, pero nag-improve sila guys kasi napakagaganda ng mga building na itayo. Actually guys, ang feeling ko dito sa Rim Island is man-made. So naglagay silang extension na parang katulad sa sa Pilipinas, medyo dyan sa may coastal road, nagdagdag sila ng lupa para lang matayuan uli na panibagong building. Actually, ito ay malapit lamang. 5 to 10 minutes lang from the city of Abu Dhabi. So, ayan, makikita nyo mga bagong structural na building, bagong mga tayo. So, kailangan talaga nila ng mga engineer, mga construction worker. So, ayan. Kaya, ayun guys, yung tripling building, I don't know what's the name of that building. But, it looks very nice mga ka-sexy kasi sa malayo, lalo pag sa gabi, ang ganda-ganda niyan tingnan, yung kanyang lightning. At talagang sobrang tataas mga ka-sexy ang building dito sa Abu Dhabi. Yan. At ito yung bus guys, hindi masyadong crowded pag ganitong oras. Siguro sa umaga crowded ito, punong-puno kasi nga nagpapasukan yung mga tao na pumupunta dito sa lugar na ito, Rim Islands. Yan. Ang pupuntahan ko nga pala guys ay yung Rim Mall. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, malapit na ako sa Rim Mall at makikita nyo talaga ang improvement yung mga pangyayari dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Meron pang maraming space na pwedeng pagtatayuan ng mga building, kaya kailangan nila ng mga tao pa, ng mga construction worker, engineers. Mostly marami din tayong mga engineers na Pilipino dito. Yan. So lahat yan guys, pagtatayuan ng mga building na yan, so maraming trabaho. Hindi lang yan na karamihan din mga Pilipino ang kinukuha guys, mga sa opisina. So yan, dito guys na hindi mahirap, yung hindi katulad sa Pilipinas kung saan na lang mag-stop. So dito guys, mayroong designated na stop and unloading and loading. So, hindi ka mahihirapan. At may nakalagay na bus number yung pupuntahan mo. So, Madali lang. At meron ditong apps na ginagamit, guys, para malaman mo kung yung pupuntahan mo ay, kung hindi mo alam ang pupuntahan mo, malalaman mo doon sa apps kung anong bus number ang makakarating doon. So, ayan. At ang ating seating, guys, dito sa bus, priority nila yung mga babae ay nasa front at yung mga lalaki ay nasa likuran. So hindi mo mararamdaman na may manananching sa'yo or ano, kasi nga priority itong space na ito para sa mga babae. Maliban na lang, guys, kung talagang halimbawa punong-puno, you have a choice if you want to go at the back or in the front. So ito, guys, hindi masyadong matao ngayon. Ayan, itong mga to papunta talaga to sa Rim Islands. Ayan, I think bababa na kami. Ayan, ito na yung Rim Islands, guys, Rim Mall. Makikita nyo, guys. Ayan, ito yung ipapunch mo lang yung bus. Sana ganun na lang sa Pilipinas na ipapunch na lang. Yan. So, marami din tayo mga kabayan ng mga sales lady, office worker.
Ito na, nakarating na tayo sa Rim Mall.
Yan, Rim Mall, RM.
Siyempre ako lang mag-isa.
RM, Rim Mall. So, may mga tambayan dito. So, halimbawa, guys, kung sasakay ka ng bus at ayaw mo mahuli, mag-check ka lang sa sa apps na nakalagay sa cellphone mo at makikita mo na yung schedule na kung anong oras bababa o anong oras dadating yung bus. Yan. So, ayan, guys. Paikot-ikot lang naman yan sila. So, guys, we are here already in the Rim Mall. And the first entrance you will find out the escalator. So this is the way going up, and where you can find more expensive and designer store. So I'm all alone over here. I don't have anyone here, just me. And first thing I want to go is the restaurant, guys, because I'm kinda hungry here. So ayan, there is so much expensive and designer stores that you can find it here. Some of them you can afford, some of them you cannot, because you will think about the computation. Yes, how much this one, how much like that. Anyway, and still I'm looking for my classmate store. She's a manager or for that store. They have a 2 store in this place in Rim Mall. So while walking, I find out so many beautiful dresses, beautiful stores and expensive stores. So I'm kinda hesitant to go inside this store because I'm find like I don't have the money. Anyway, we will go up again to the 3rd level because I found out that the restaurant was located in the 3rd level. So I went there looking for this window shopping, but there's no shopping at all, only window. I mean, there's a shopping in the window, but the money, I don't have it. Anyway, there you go. We are here in the 3rd level, and as I said, before I went to my classmate's store, I went to the food fast food because I'm kind of hungry, and you will find out later what food did I choose and did I eat. So much store here, but not much people, because maybe the this time was finish the Eid, so you cannot find out more people inside the mall. But maybe on the Eid time, Eid Mubarak, maybe this place is full of people. And then I'm near to the restaurant, near to the fast food chain, so we can find the restaurant I can eat. So I was actually planning. My classmate actually was planning to eat with me in the restaurant, because here in Rim Mall, the problem is I have a work in the morning, so my boss came to the shop late, so I was late for my appointment with my classmate. So what can I do? So I have to obey. Yeah, and there you go, my sexy. As you can see, there's locals. Actually, I'm not allowed to videotape them, but um, it's not in purpose to video them. It was just yeah. Okay, anyway, now that you can see which restaurant I went on, and which restaurant and which food I eat. So there's a lot of empty table here, so you can find it easily where you can sit there. And here, and now that I feel like so hungry, a lot of hungry, and I choose Chinese Palace. There's Chinese Palace. There's a similar food from the Philippines. You have the fried rice, you have the pancit, or the lumpia, and some beef and fish fillet. So it's not hard to choose, because this food I usually eat here in my house. But I don't need too much to reserve or serve, or and this is the fried rice. It's actually, the food, guys, is so oily, but it's okay, you can manage. Yeah, but it's so tasty, really tasty. Some of the cashier, I think, in this restaurant was a Filipino also. Yeah, it's a mix people from Philippines, Nepal, and Indians. I don't know, some of them. Anyway, this is basically the people working in UAE. Most of them is like Indian, Filipino, and Nepal, and Vietnam sometimes. Anyway, there you have it. The food that I choose was prawn, chicken, no, not chicken, prawn, I mean prawn, hipon, and fish fillet. It took a lot of time. It took late because the food that I choose is still cooking. So I took the seafoods combo. It's about 39 dirham, including the soft drinks. So there you go. That's all, guys. I find at my table, and thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video.